There's a hidden button on your Galaxy Z Flip 6 that can flip all your screen colors in one tap. And most people don't even know it exists. It's called Color Inversion, and here's exactly how to unlock it. Step 1. Open your settings. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Step 3. Tap Advanced Settings. Step 4. Select Accessibility button. Step 5. Tap Select Actions. Step 6. Now, check the box next to Color Inversion. You can also choose whether you want the button to float on screen or stay in a navigation bar. Once that's done, try it out. Tap the Accessibility button, and just like that, your entire screen turns into high contrast mode. It's great for reading at night, reducing eye strain, or just giving your phone a cool inverted vibe. Now you know the trick. If you love discovering secret phone features like this, hit like, share with your friends, and follow for more hidden gems.